Hey guys, my name's Stavros, and I'm going to start building some Lego sets on my dad's channel. If you want to look at some other sets I've done in Star Wars, right up here. Today I will be building the Slave 1 20th Anniversary Edition. It's recommended for ages 10 and up, and it's set 75243. This set comes with 6 minifigures: Boba Fett, 4-LOM, Zuckuss, Han Solo and Carbonite, and a special 2000 Princess Leia collectible minifigure. Now let's get this thing open. Here we have bag 6, bag 8, the booklet, bag 4, bag 1, bag 5, bag 2, bag 7, and bag 3. Here we have the finished Lego Slave 1. There's many details put into this set, but many of them really stand out to me. First, if you look down at the bottom, there's this little latch you can pull down, which makes holding it a lot easier. So look at that, you can just hold it. And what I like about this is when you turn it this way, the wings rotate so they're always straight, and so does the cockpit seat. I also like how these guns can rotate. If I turn it around here, there's red buttons that if you pull them down, guns shoot. Like that. So if you turn over to the back here, if you open this part up, it's kind of like a storage section for the carbonite bricks. You can just slide that in and close it. I like these details here, how all like the colors are coordinated, and it just looks really smooth. You can also take this off, and there's some stickers put in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it in this set. I like this set. It was really fun building, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, there's like a little button that they put on the laptop or something, and then they say click it, and then you can never even miss a video.
That's if you subscribe.